It is going to be a hot day out there. Let's check in with meteorologist Sam Schreier.
Yeah, photo from last week was a different story. Remember just a little bit ago where Colorado Springs, we had some snow from that overnight to the next morning, but like Pueblo, we were dry. So this is the scene at Guard of the Gods. Daniel just sent this one in to us and I wanted to share it, but most of our viewer photos have looked a little bit more like this. Dust kicking up in the atmosphere. Joe and Kimmy Randall out at South Park took that photo. Linda Watkins did this photo here out on a hike at Ute Valley Park, and Steve sent this one in to me. Kind of had that cotton candy look in the atmosphere over the wet mountain valley. So pretty photos, and thanks for sending them in. Hottest day of the year so far is happening today, and then again tomorrow will probably be a little bit hotter. We always say so far because of course we'll get hotter in the summer. Records are either going to be tied or broken within the next 2 days. We have increasing fire danger. Today we have red flag warnings, but it's worse fire danger Wednesday, Thursday, and we do follow it up with some rain and snow Friday. Not looking at exactly a lot of moisture on Friday, but anything would be a big help for grass fires. Now out the door, temperatures are in the 30s and 40s with a few 50s mixed into the mountains and valleys. So out the door today, hey, not too bad. We know we're a little breezier between Walsenburg and Aguilar, and I know we have that Spanish Peak adjacent fire happening just west of Aguilar. So we're keeping an eye on that. It is still a fairly light wind this morning, but the winds will probably get stronger out on the eastern plains today. So no red flag warnings near that fire by the Spanish Peaks, but eastern Los Animas County and up the Colorado-Kansas line, things actually seem to be in pretty good shape. So our futurecast wind gusts are in the 20 to 40 mile per hour range out of the south and east. So it's going to get windy, but it's really not too bad. When we take a look at the high temperatures today, we have 80s for most of the interstate. Now Monument's a little cooler because we're at the higher elevation point near Monument and Monument Hill, 72 in Woodland Park, and not far from 90 at both La Junta and Lamar. So Colorado Springs and Pueblo, it seems like we're trying to tie a record. If we hit 80 today, Colorado Springs ties the record. We for sure break the record tomorrow. So for sure record breaking Wednesday. Today we should tie it. Pueblo, we have to hit 88 to tie a record today. Tomorrow the record is in the low 80s, so it's an easy broken record on Wednesday. And from there, we get windier on Thursday. Thursday's a little cooler, but the winds step up, and so fire danger is a lot higher. It's high tomorrow because it's windier, but it's also very high on Thursday with some rain and some thunder coming back around on Friday. And in Pueblo, oh, keep up with me, computer. There we go. Close to 90 tomorrow. A lot of wind on Thursday. And yes, some thunderstorms Friday. Canyon City, Woodland Park. We're also watching a moisture chance with cooler air by Friday.